Hello. Mm. Hello everyone, welcome back to Foods, a channel of easy recipes, quick recipes, African traditional recipes, and modern foods as well. If at all you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, view my videos, like and share. For the returning viewers, thank you so much for always tuning in. So otherwise guys, today I'm back with this recipe and I just want to make some spicy beef sausages stew. In Kenya, many people don't use beef sausages for stew, but they use them for breakfast ideas. But then other African countries value them so much, they use them for stew. So in our today's video, we are on a recipe. I'm going to share with you how to make beef sausages into stew, and you can serve it with any starchy food like ugali. Like for me now, I'm going to serve it with ugali and some greens. So keep sausages that I'm going to use to make my stew. Then I have here the bell peppers. I have the red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. Then I also have here my white onions. I have some ginger and garlic, and I have 3 medium-sized tomatoes. And I'm going to use tomato paste and dark soy sauce. So keep tuned and let's cook. Start by cutting my sausages into pieces. First step, so guys, keep tuned. I'm going to cut my onions and I'm going to have them blended. I'm going to blend them so that I can have a very heavy gravy. So guys, I'm going to have them blended. Keep tuned. My tomatoes. So keep tuned. So I've just lit my pan. Now I will add some vegetable oil. And at this point, I'm not going to put so much. I'll just put a little so that I can shallow fry my sausages. So guys, we're not going to add any salt to it, as you know, sausages have got salt. So guys, see, they have brown but not very, so we'll leave them a little bit time. They are ready now. Still we are going to cook them, so I'll just take them out and then now take back my pan for the next stage. So I will add oil a little bit again, ready to cook or to prepare my onions. So guys, I have white onions here with me and the ginger. So guys, I love white onions with this because they taste nice on sausages or stewed sausages, and again it also gives a very heavy gravy. So guys, this is the time to add my bell peppers. I have red bell peppers, and then green, and then finally the yellow one. Bell peppers will give them some taste of the pepper, some aroma, and also it makes your gravy look so beautiful. Just see guys. So guys, you'll cook them well before we add in our tomato paste. Just depending on the size of your sausages, but I have 3 solid sausage, so just a tablespoon is just enough. So make sure everything cooks well. So guys, I'm going to cover it and give it time to cook for about 5-10 minutes. Here I'm back. So I didn't use live garlic because I had garlic powder. So this is what I'm going to add in here now at this particular time so that they can cook together with the ginger. I've just added salt guys, and remember sausages I've got salt and also the dark soya salt, so you just put a little bit of it. And now dark soy sauce here, then don't put much of it. And now you can add your blended tomatoes. Mix well guys. Look at my sauce, the beauty has started showing. It's going to be a little bit heavier. Wow, look at my gravy guys. This one, if you have it with the rice, so serve it with rice or ugali. Ooh. So let me put in my roasted or shallow fried sausages, mix everything in well so that they can cook together with the sausages. So guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you try this out and share this video. Look at my spicy beef sausages. I'll give it just a little time for it to cook and it's done. Wow, so let me just have it. So guys, this sauce you can serve it with any recipe of your own choice. Maybe rice can do, chapatis can do, ugali. Like for me, I'm going to do it with ugali. So guys, here I am with my spicy stew, kales and ugali. So try out this video guys. Let's meet another video. Bye bye. Welcome.